Hello again, this is Captain John with another one of my video tips of the week. In today's video tip, we're going to take a look at a danger to navigation called riprap. Some exposed lights or lighthouses will use rock or similar material around the base of the lighthouse to fight erosion. Take a look at this chart at the approaches to Baltimore Harbor and notice that 7-foot knoll light shows a squiggly circle that surrounds the dot that designates the light position. That squiggly circle represents the international symbol for a light or light structure surrounded by riprap. Stay clear to avoid damage to your hull, keel, rudder, or propeller. This light also contains a reference that says See Note D. Realize that chart notes should not be ignored. These contain navigational information that could be critical for sailing safety. Chart notes will be located on the non-navigable portion of a chart, near the chart margins or in the land areas. Let's take a look at Note D now. This note warns us to use extreme caution in the vicinity of the light. Waves to 12 feet have been reported generated by larger vessels. Here you can see the depths rise from 21 to 22 feet outside of the shoal to just 9 to 10 feet inside the shoal. As the wake of a large vessel travels over shallower water, this could increase wave height. Stay clear to avoid extreme danger to your sailboat and your sailing crew. Here in Long Island Sound, you can see the riprap symbol that surrounds the position of Bartlett Reef Light. Notice how the depths change in a dramatic way from over 300 feet outside of the reef to less than 4 feet inside the reef. Sail well clear to avoid extreme danger. Now you know how to identify riprap symbols on any chart in the world. Use these easy sailing navigation tips to keep your crew safe and sound on the waters of the world. This is Captain John, and this has been another one of my video tips of the week. Find more sailing tips and techniques on www.skippertips.com.